my theory. There might be a better way. In fact, there is a way to cut these so you don't have to.
Yeah, there's that folding pattern.
I don't like that.
But these, they're called prairie squares, I found out on the internet. I just call them triangles.
Well, mine may call them Prairie Points.
Yeah, Prairie Points, that's what it is. And you put seam to seam.
Yeah. Oops, that isn't right.
Fold along fold and tuck them in. And the corners,
And you just go to the next one and
let's take a closer up of this corner. You fold them together, both folds to each other, right to the corner point.
Okay.
And then
See
once
that way?
all this is pinned with the appropriate distance in between, you do a straight stitch around
And
the
when
blanket.
when you get in the middle of the thing, if they don't match, then you can move them, you know, so that you can get them in there all the way. You know what I mean?
To line them up and have them be equal.
Yeah,
and
if you only have, when you get them together and you have a space like that,
which isn't big enough for a
that
school.
isn't big enough, you can move them over a little bit so that you can get them
Rearranged.
rearranged. Yeah.
I did see a suggestion on the to measure, you know, to take a corner point and measure them, to measure the points, just get more uniform distances as a suggestion too.
Yeah, but who's gonna measure to see if they're right?
I'm just saying to help get more uniform.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, who's gonna measure it?
Once they're done.
Not me.
No, that's my point right there. You know, I think they're actually easier to work with when they're not pressed.
Okay.
The reason I say that is because it's hard to separate that seam. I've never pressed them.
Well, somewhere I got the, you press them.
Well, and maybe they should be pressed, but I've never pressed them.
Thought it was from you. That's where I've learned to do these.
To see, you get more of a puffy puff to them. Then when you flatten them out, you don't get that.
And then you hand stitch the side that you're not stitching the material to. The
You hand
triangles
stitch
to.
the back to the top. When you turn this down 1/4 of an inch here, you only want to turn this down 1/4 of an inch there. Because if you turn this down more here than here, you'll find that it's puckering down in here and you won't know why. But it's because you took too much material. So when you do it, make sure that it lays pretty flat. That corner's kind of screwy, but she had a seam right along the edge here for some reason, and that's why it's kind of bulky there. But anyway, but you look at the overall, you don't notice, well, that one's a little bit less than this one, that one's got more tuck in than that one. Overall,
Right.
you
no.
don't pay any attention to that.
No, you don't.
That's
You
my
appreciate
point.
the work of it.
That's my point. Nobody's gonna go along and